It is hot as balls out here. Look at that. We got a big old stage going on. Hell yeah, look at this. This is a fucking giant S9J. Holy shit. Oh, I hope the fan spins. I really hope the fan spins. Look at the RJ45 port. I could crawl inside the Ethernet port. That's hilarious. I love that thing. Check that out. Mining Disrupt 2023. Ooh. 2024, it's gonna be in June. Look at that. Buy your tickets now. It's got specs for the fan. That's hilarious. This is where all the outside stuff's gonna be. Again, this is day one. We're all just setting up now. Look, they got coolers on the top up there of this giant container. These are probably the power inputs. Here's another container, mega box. I think this is just power consumption. I wonder if these are... No, this is gonna have miners in it too. I don't know. I'm literally just walking around this place, just seeing what I can see. Yeah, maybe this is just like a giant transformer. Should I take his ladder? Just move it a little bit? No, that's not cool. Wow. Yeah, this looks like a traditional container style. This is like a fucking data center, mobile data center. Look at that. That's impressive. That's fucking impressive. But this is what I think of when I say container. Something like this. Ah! Did you see that? That guy tried to kill me. Holy shit. So it's pretty weird that the convention center itself is not tied to the hotel. Like there's no way to get from the hotel over to the convention center. Like traditionally, just walking into it, you know, you've got to go outside to go inside. Kind of a pain, especially when it's hot as fucking balls out here. At least it's covered. You can see that like if it starts raining and shit, it'll be covered going from the hotel over to the convention. This stage here is going to be where they're doing the concert tonight. They're doing a concert on day one. So far, everybody's still setting up, so keep that in mind. We've got like Jazz Miner right over here. This is where we'll be handing out bags with Mine the ASIC and Jingle Mining. We're going to be over here. We're going to take a look at their brand new ASIC that just came out, or that's coming out. The low power. I like that. Check this out, guys. DeLorean life, that's for sure. So we'll be over here with these guys in the morning at least, handing out swag, kind of walking through some of their new X16Q systems. Take a look at that. Less than 40 decibels. That's intense. That is fucking intense. ETC hash or ETH hash. What is this one? Mining cooling solutions. So a radiator for, it's like an M50 almost. Not necessarily put together. So this is kind of where we're starting off the day. So if you remember, we did the map. We walked around and said we wanted to talk to these people and a couple of others. This here, this is Pegapool. These are the main sponsor of the event. We've got Nice Hash. This is the Nice Hash booth right here. I don't think they're doing any block catching. Sorry, Hawk, they're not going to be doing that at this event. They knew you were coming and they said, no, we're not doing that. We've got Hash House here, which will be interesting to talk to. BitMars over in the corner with their new fog hashing solution. JSBit has a huge booth here today. Yeah, look at that. That is fantastic. And a wheel of awesomeness. We've got our immersion container thing here. How you doing? Look at this, guys. Here, walking around. What's going on? We've got the OG here. How you doing? Good. What brings you here today?
All of the things.
All of the things. Yeah. The magic.
We're going to talk to a few folks.
Yeah.
There's a couple new miners out we're going to talk to. New up-and-coming miners.
New up-and-coming miners.
Here to learn the latest tech.
That's awesome. Yeah, congratulations and condolences. It's going to suck you in. You cannot get out. You cannot escape. I'll let you get back to it, man.
Yeah, no problem.
Good to meet you.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Hey, good to meet you. Good luck, guys. Holy shit, that was cool. All right, so before we so rudely interrupted by Bitsby Trippin', Carter from BBT, look at this, guys. These are fucking cool. I've never heard of these guys before. K10 Ultra. And look, they've got ASICs just here mining at the event. Isn't that fucking crazy? Look at the power consumption that they're using. Look at all that power. Oh, man. Talk about extension cord inception. I'm interested to talk to those guys for sure. And then this Bitcoin mining museum, but this is really cool. Wait until you guys see this. This is so cool. I love this stuff. So back over this way, we got Repair Bit is over here. This looks like a nice little chill area. I think this is going to be where like the phone charging stations are. Son of a Tech made a really good point on a local video or a recent video. Don't use charging stations at places like this. Like bring your own batteries. Like I've got my own monstrous fucking battery that I'm bringing with. We've got Exxon Mining here. We'll have to see what they do. I think these are all going to be like LED panels, giant monoliths of colors and whatnot. So we're back over here to this side on, we got Bitmars. Yeah, we talked about these guys a little bit. So they've got their own mining solution. Looks like they'll have some games and stuff out here too. And this is, I feel like this is going to be the chill spot. A little, it's going to be fucking louder here than it is over there with the ASICs going. I wonder if they're going to be the only ones with ASICs going here too. Probably not. So we got Beamazon, Amazon for Bitcoin or Amazon for mining, because that's going to be some tough competition. What are these guys? Miner base. Okay, okay. BitXBit. I think they're immersion cooling as well. Yeah, look at these tanks here. Revolve Lab, renewable energy. Sorry guys, there's not much going on right now. Brains, we saw Brains earlier when we walked through. We got, this is Locotech. This is where Ben's gonna be. It's pretty cool. I talked to these guys this morning at breakfast. King and I were having breakfast and they were at the table next to us. Super cool dudes. They had their little USB miner with them, so I saw the physical device, and they've got another cool little device with it that I didn't really understand, but I'm sure he'll talk about it more. I'm hopefully going to meet with him tomorrow, so definitely stick around for that one too. Right across from Antpool and Pegasus, next to Lead. I don't know what they do. It's Miner. Oh, that's a management platform. That's kind of cool. Clouder Power, Octagon Power, thing in the middle of the thing. Ooh, Flux, and a giant transformer. We got our Flux booth right here. We'll definitely be spending a lot of time here. Digital Shovel, I believe that's what these guys are with. Well, that was pretty cool. I talked to the people over at Digital Shovel and might set up an interview for a future date. That's going to be pretty fun. So anyway, where were we? We've got Luxor Tech here. We've got iPolo on the end down here. Simple Mining, Chain Reaction, Sunnyside Digital. I don't know what they do. We'll have to see them as well. Revolution Mining and Sea Power. Look at this. We just got some S19s chilling. You know, no security around here. Nothing. That's pretty fucked up. ACS, Advanced Crypto Services. This is our repair facility. Maybe we should ask these guys about the S17 turd that we got. Pretty sure we all know how everybody feels about the 17 series. Well, that's about it on the floor now. I'm going to try to get some more video later this afternoon when some of the additional events and stuff are going on. We've got a concert that's going to be this evening. But just in case something happens or I'm unable to get that footage for you and still get the content out that we want to get out. Like, look at this guy here. Look at this guy back. Oh, you can't even fucking see it. This guy here is practicing with a guitar. He's got it up there doing a mic check. Mic check.
Oh man, it has been a hell of a night, guys. Hope you saw the live stream that we did. We're out here partying it up. Something's on my face. There we go. So that was day one. You probably can't hear me. That was day one. We'll be back for day 2 tomorrow, so make sure you stick around and subscribe, and of course all the things. So see you guys. Of course, thanks for watching.